Arrival at Pag-asa Island, 9:20 this morning, time now.
Very challenging po ang sitwasyon namin dito sa island. Ang means of transportation pa namin, may barko po kami, may lancha. It took us 3 days and 2 nights pa makapunta po dito. So when it comes to our learners, we have 102 learners as of today. We are integrated school from kindergarten to senior high school. Napakalayo pa talaga namin. Kami po ay malapit na sa nasa West Philippine Sea. Huwag sana kaming kalimutan.
Ang goal po natin is to reach proficiency or mastered on
Pag-asa Integrated School is only one of 9,000 last-mile schools in the Philippines. Many of them struggle with lack of resources, particularly technology.
60,000 courses.
Connected is a private sector initiative that aims to provide digital access to 50 of these last-mile schools.
I am the code.
We want to help address the 3 C's: computers, connectivity, and competence. The DepEd now has 2 world-class content providers, Khan Academy and I Am the Code. Khan Academy is now at the K-12 DepEd curriculum. I Am the Code offers 60,000 free online courses with certification. The problem is connectivity.
Digital access is not just about giving them laptops. It's more than that. It's providing the teachers and students digital literacy.
Malaking tulong ito para mahasa ang kakayahan at maging center of excellence ang aming paaralan para ang mga bata namin ay maging job ready.
Mahalaga po sa amin po yung laptop po kasi po medyo po nahuli po kami pagdating po sa ICT.
Nakakatulong po siya sa amin para po makahabol po kami sa mga lesson po dito po sa isla kasi late na po talaga kami sa mga lesson po.
We are committed to equipping 50 last-mile schools with laptops, training, and connectivity. This is where your support is going.